Say hi, Chris. We're in first hour today. We're not doing no fifth hour. Okay, what's number 10? I forgot. Go down. What the fuck? Where is she? Oh, she's not there.
You spelled that wrong just a minute.
Cathaya Brown. Dude, don't go anywhere. X. Shrek. I have like a B- in this class. Cause like the two things we did like online that whatever you call it, like it didn't work. We're being videotaped right now. Look at it's on. There's Joey Cordell.
Functional.
Yeah. There's the rest of the box. Ew. Ooh, it's time to go. Oh shit, bye. I didn't realize it was like when they got